Hi friends, today let us learn about a polymer called as PHBV. PHBV is widely used in the chemical industry, especially in the pharmaceutical and medicinal industry. What is the full form of PHBV? The full form of PHBV polymer is polybeta hydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. I repeat, the full form of PHBV is polybeta hydroxybutyrate co-beta hydroxyvalerate. Now, what are the uses of PHBV? PHBV is used in orthopedic devices, special packaging materials, and it is used in the controlled release of drugs. It is used in the controlled release of drugs. When a drug is covered by a capsule of PHBV, it allows the drug to go into the body only after it has been degraded into our body. PHBV is a biodegradable polymer. This is a good advantage of this polymer. It is a biodegradable polymer, so it can easily be degradable by action of microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. So this is one of the important uses of PHBV, that is, it allows the controlled release of drugs. Now when you see any medicine and when you buy any medicine from the market, you do not see the drug powder directly. You see something covered around the drug, that is nothing but PHBV. It covers the drug and it allows the drug inside your body only after it has been degraded into your body. This is one of the special advantages of PHBV, one of the special uses of PHBV. Now, what type of polymer is PHBV? PHBV is a copolymer, that is, it is made up of two monomeric units. Also, PHBV is a condensation polymer and it is a polyester, that is, it has ester linkages present in it. So PHBV is a copolymer, condensation polymer, and a polyester, that is, it has ester linkages present in it. Now let us learn about the structure and formation, how it is formed. Let's learn about that. Let's learn about the structure and formation of PHBV. PHBV is formed from two monomers, namely 3-hydroxybutanoic acid and 3-hydroxypentanoic acid. Now these two monomeric units combine together to form long chains and giving rise to the polymer PHBV. Now this is 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. This is nothing but 3-hydroxybutanoic acid. And now Now this is 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. Now these two monomers undergo condensation polymerization to form PHBV. Now this is 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid. Now there are two monomers, that's why PHBV is a copolymer, and these two monomers undergo condensation polymerization to give PHBV. N3-hydroxy butanoic acids, N molecules combine with N molecules of N molecules of 3-hydroxy pentanoic acid to give PHBV. It indicates that the branch continues, the branch goes on to form the polymer. So these two are the monomers and this is the polymer. PHBV is the polymer. Okay friends, that's all for today. Take good care of yourself and people around you, and please pray for world peace. Bye bye.